Looking for something that's delicious and high in protein and can work as both a snack and a meal? What's that, you ask? Well, keep watching. Welcome back to my channel. I'm making Aloo Channa Kachori. The list of ingredients are listed below in the description box. Be sure to check them out as well as for the added tips when making this recipe. Let's get started. This is my dried channa or chickpeas or garbanzo beans as it's called that was soaked for about 6 hours and rinsed and drained properly just before I was ready to use it. I'm using my mini chopper for a coarser blend. Blend the chickpeas with the seasonings. Add blended ingredients to a big mixing bowl. Now add the grated potato and chopped onions and mix well. If you cannot handle hot peppers, I suggest you wear a food glove or use a spoon. I prefer my hands. Now add in the dry ingredients and give a good mix. When you pick up some of the mixture in your hand and squeeze it, it should hold together. Let it rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now put up a pot on medium heat with about 3 cups of oil for deep frying. I mentioned 5 cups of oil because sometimes the channa tends to absorb a lot more oil, so you may need to add as you go along frying. Take a small amount of mixture in your hand and squeeze together, rolling it around in your hand to form a ball. Make several balls and gently add to the hot oil. Be careful not to get burned. When the kachoris start to brown, gently turn over. Manage the heat if you need to. Using a spoon with holes, or a jharna as we call it, remove the fully cooked kachoris and drain on paper towel. I also made some flat ones or fritters by making the balls and then pressing flat about ½ inch thick. Continue frying as before. These kachoris are so crunchy and delicious. You can have it by itself, or I'm serving it here with tamarind chutney. You can use any chutney of your choice. Now, how do we make this into a dish? Well, check out my kachori kofta recipe down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, you should. And take a moment to like and share the video.